said we were going to do one last song here before I go. I'm getting our date on the
Go pet one. Come on. Come on. Come on, Hallie. You and Hannah go pet one. Yeah. Oh, a good old poop shop. Is that a bat? That's okay. She likes to be petted. He, she. Hannah. Gonzo. I'm here. That's the one who just took a poop. That's nice. Excuse me. Hey, what you eating on there, big guy?
I don't want these thinking animals anymore. I'm putting a playground.
What the? You're kidding me.
And this is the playground.
Oh, sorry, it wasn't me.
Do it the other way, buddy. Push it right the other way.
Let's get a brush.
I don't know where the brushes are. There's one over here. That's a billy goat, I think. You want to go brush the billy goat?
You know what his name is?
Billy?
Yes.
I want to take your picture, Hallie.